Samantha, we're going to buy your first 3 oil changes and tire rotations for one reason and one reason only. We've got a great service department. You don't know that yet. So we're willing to pay you to use it 3 times so you can discover how good the service department is, because once you do, we're confident that you will keep on using it. Think of it as a legal bribe.
Okay.
Isn't that the reason we do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we want them to use our service department. We're willing to pay them for the first 3 times. Okay? And that's going to save you $270, young lady.